What's up guys, we are playing Tumble Guards. And don't forget to subscribe this video and hit the like button. We need to try to get nothing. Lahat kayo nandito. Yes, we survived. What? We are dying. We are dying. Menu muna. You will receive. Running in direction. Why am I lighting? Wait, bad idea. Ito sila mag-isip. Ito sa baba. Oh. Hey, I'm floating. Lagging. I'm floating, guys. I'm floating. Let's try to dance. What? 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 Oh, I wanna get this one. But money. Then, what do I want? What do I see? Let's go. Where am I? Oh, shit. Kailangan natin daanan yung road here. Oh, what? I'll carry you. I will revive this guy.
What flag is this?
Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, are you serious right now, bro?
Ano yung magiging payo mo? For example, may nanonood na high school student na
Subscribe nyo na nga lang kaya to para mabuhay tayo.
biggest step eh, kung gusto mo talaga magnegosyo at hindi
Hey, somebody else.
pang-aaral ng parents mo, pampuhunan.
Root bear.
Mag-aaral sa parents mo. Tuturo sa business at paano magnegosyo. Tuturuan ka paano maging money.
I'm gonna die.
Pa rin kasi yun eh. Number 2, yung nagtuturo naman sa'yo doon, hindi rin negosyante. Empleyado rin yung nagtuturo. That's wala namang negosyo yung mga professors niya.
Sinabi naman niya, may konting katotohanan. Siyempre, bakit naman nila
What even is a one-by-one Lego piece?
Let's play. show speed. I show speed. Pam, pam, pam. Yay! 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 What the? Ay! Kinunan ko kasi. Yay! Yay! Black.
Paikutin at sanay ka magpaikot ng pera. Kaya nga sa pag-investment, mag-iusap ka nung manager or nung clerk at sabihin siya, ano yung appetite mo? Appetite mo, bigyan ka nila ng parang
This black things is not getting me.
Diploma ng ano.
Look at my sword! My sword, my sword, my sword. Oh, I'm sorry, bye. Whoa, what is this? Sopa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sopa. Look. Kunyari, nasa doktor. Abaya. Tuli na, boy. Ayoko pa. Ikaw naman, oh. Takbo! Dunununun. Dunununun. Dununun. Eh! Oh, ang galing. Yung magtutuli, habulin ako. Ha? Oh. Ano sabi ko sa inyo, pre? Huwag kayong pupunta sa tulian. Sorry, ni-invite ko lang yung tuli. Yeah! Pwede. Paborito ko to. Run, run, run. Tununun. Pag may nangabol sa yung lalaki, gusto ako nun. Ikaw naman. Yes, sir! We need to run. Pakareraan, we. Yun, 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 yun. What is that? Uy! Yun! What is that? Run! Oops, we need to hide. Patuloy na! Ouch! Joke lang. Uy! Kagipat tayo nalipad. Nalipad ako. Ayaw! Yun lang sa video na to. Nakasurvive na tayo. So, ayun lang sa video. See you in the next vlog.